Where are you? Hey, have you all seen Miss Itsy Bitsy today? I thought she was here.
Strider! Hey, Strider! I'm down here!
What? Did you hear that? Where is that coming from?
Look at the microscope! I'm pretending to be a tiny germ, which means that I'm so small, you need a microscope to see me.
Whoa! There you are! I never would have seen you without this cool microscope. Does that mean there are germs around me right now that I just can't see?
Yeah, germs are everywhere! Some can make us healthy, and some can make us sick. You know, they're kind of like superheroes. Or supervillains. With the power of invisibility.
What? Supervillain germs? But if supervillain germs are everywhere, how can we protect ourselves?
With the power of soap and water, of course!
That seems so simple. Can you show me with an experiment?
That's a great idea! Let's go on a tiny adventure!
This sparkly stuff is glitter. But today, we're gonna use our imaginations and pretend they're germs. So let's get germy. Yuck! Okay, now let's see how these germs spread. First, I'm gonna shake Strider's hand. Hi, Strider.
Hi. Oh, it's a glitter takeover. Look at my leg. Ew.
So gross. Okay, now I'm gonna get some germy germs again. And I'm going to touch this cute toy puppy dog. Hi, puppy dog. Oh no! Look! The glitter germs are on him!
Doggy germs. Woof, woof.
Woof is right. So you see, germs can spread onto toys, on tables, even on you. That's why microbiologists study germs and how they spread. Hey, how about we pretend to be microbiologists and figure out the best way to clean these germs off?
Oh boy, that will be so much fun.
First, let's try to wash these glitter germs with just water. What do you think, Strider?
Ew, nope, they're sticking like boogers on a window.
Oh, yuck, that's gross. I don't want anything like boogers on my hands. So let's try some soap and we're gonna scrub a dub dub.
Whoa, it's working like magic.
Exactly. So remember, little scientists, germs can spread just like glitter. But water and soap sends them down the drain.
Now it's your turn. Go out there and wash your hands and make those glitter germs disappear.
Goodbye, little microbiologists.
Goodbye.
Come on, everybody. Let's learn about microbiology together. A microbiologist studies things that we can't see. A microbiologist studies things that we can't see. They study germs that make us sick so that we can get better quick. A microbiologist studies things that we can't see. We're gonna see with our eyes, smell with our nose, hear with our ears, and touch with those. What are they? They're hands. Now what do we see with our eyes? I see a bottle with some liquid in it and a place for the liquid to come out. Now what do we smell with our nose? Ooh, I smell a nice clean scent. Now what do we hear with our ears? Oh, did you hear that? That's a pumping sound. Ooh, now what do we feel with our hands? Ooh, that's fun. That's sudsy. What is it? That's right. It's soap. Good job. I had so much much fun learning about microbiology with you today. If you want to go on more scientific adventures with me, please subscribe to the channel. And until next time, always be curious, little microbiologists. Goodbye!